By a sample measurement, I would like to explain now the display elements of the Aquatest T10. In the center of the screen, the current noise level is shown graphically in a bar graph. To start a measurement, place your finger on the sensor field. On the headphone you can hear now in real time the sound that the microphone picks up. If necessary, adjust the volume using the arrow keys. The volume setting is shown in the lower left corner of the display. In the upper left of the display, you can see the measured minimum level of the noise. The minimum level describes the most quiet moment of a measurement. In an ideal case, at such moment, only the noise of the leak is present. Directly beside the actual minimum noise level, the value of the last measurement is displayed. In the bottom center, you can see the battery status of the T10. At the bottom right, you can see the current filter setting. To change the filter setting, press the filter button on the keyboard. The active filter band is displayed, for example 4, and the filter symbol is flashing. With the arrow keys you can choose from 8 filters. The black segments mark the pass band of the filter. By pressing the filter button again, the selected filter band is stored and you return to the measuring mode. When switching the Aquatest T10 off, all settings are permanently stored.